Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is June the 20th, 2018, and I wanted to show you, I'm going to be picking our edible sweet peas today, and I want to show you how to pick them. I'll show you here real quick what they look like. And these are the snow peas. You can see the pods hanging on. There's some larger ones. And then these over here, that's okay, are the dwarf ones. Now these are blooming different. I did look it up online. They do have a different bloom on the dwarf snow peas. So I'm going to show you here how to pick them. We'll be right back. Okay, so what you'll need to pick your snow peas is you'll need a pair of scissors and you'll need your bowl to put them in. Now, I don't want to rip these off of the stalk. I want to use the scissors to cut them off, and I'm cutting them off right at the back here because you can damage the stems if you just rip them off, and I don't want to do that. Now, this one here, this snow pea here, got a little bit too big. I don't like to let them get this big because what can actually happen is if you let your snow peas get too big, it'll signal the plant to stop giving, and we don't want to do that. We want the plant to continue to give us a harvest. So come down and along through here, and it's your preference of how large or small you pick your snow peas at, but even this one here is a little large. So I'm going to continue picking these here. Okay, and now what I'll do with these when I take these inside, I will put them in I will put the lid on them, and I'll put them in the refrigerator. And I will not wash them or like nip the ends off of them until we're ready to eat them. So you definitely don't want to just let these out and let them sit in an open bowl. You want to put them in the refrigerator and close them up, or they'll dehydrate. And then to prepare them, you just rinse them off under cold water, and you nip this end off. You can take the string out if it has one in, and you just nip the bottom end off, and then you're good to go. You can eat them raw, you can steam them, you can cook them, whatever your taste preference is for them. The battery's going dead on the camera, so I have to wrap this up here. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. That'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank yous for watching, and hope you have a nice day. Bye.